Hi guys, welcome back to latest news on AI World. Today we are talking about the PIKA Art. A couple of weeks back I registered for PIKA Art version 1. Today, the long-awaited email has arrived, and we are about to delve into examining the new release. I invite everyone to take a moment to inhale deeply. Without further ado, let's commence the exploration. Before delving into the thorough examination of PIKA version 1, let's first explore a noteworthy announcement that caught our attention on the official PIKA website, dated November 28, 2023. In this announcement, the team passionately articulates their overarching goals, shedding light on the fact that the journey towards these aspirations commenced 6 months prior to the specified date. It's fascinating to witness the dedication and commitment of the PIKA team to their vision. One of the remarkable achievements highlighted in the announcement is the current user base of PIKA Art, which stands at an impressive 500,000 users. This not only underscores the platform's growing popularity, but also speaks volumes about its impact in the creative community. PIKA Art has become a space where 500,000 individuals have found a canvas for their artistic expressions. Moreover, the announcement emphasizes the empowering nature of PIKA, stating that with this platform, anyone can seize the opportunity to assume the director's role in their creative endeavors. It's not just about using a tool. It's about enabling a broad spectrum of users to unleash their creativity and artistic vision. As we prepare to embark on the review of PIKA version 1, it's exciting to note that the announcement encourages everyone to sign up for the eagerly awaited upcoming model. This reflects PIKA's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation, ensuring that users stay at the forefront of the latest advancements in the world of digital art. So, with this insightful context, let's now delve into the details of PIKA version 1 on our YouTube channel, exploring its features, functionalities, and the promising landscape it opens up for artists and creators alike. Now let's take a closer look at the much-anticipated capabilities of PIKA Art. Together, we'll explore these abilities by generating prompts for the first time. These prompts will be entirely based on the descriptions currently swirling in my mind, offering us a first-hand glimpse into where PIKA Art's capabilities stand. I anticipate we'll try out around 4 or 5 prompts, each aiming to showcase different aspects. For our initial prompt, let's choose a captivating theme: an anime character creating a short video on the battlefield. This will set the stage for PIKA Art to demonstrate its prowess in animating dynamic scenes. Imagine the potential of bringing to life the intensity and action of a character amidst a war zone. As we venture into this creative journey, I'll guide you through each step, providing commentary on the prompts and the results. Let's spice things up a bit by adding engaging discussions, perhaps speculating on the character's backstory, the emotions portrayed, and the overall impact of PIKA Art's animation prowess. Stay tuned as we experiment with these prompts, uncovering the depths of PIKA Art's capabilities. This promises to be an exciting exploration into the intersection of technology and creativity, and I invite you all to join me on this artistic adventure on our YouTube channel. Now, I will try this prompt together with you. And let's see what happened. As the wind howls, shaking the battlefield, clouds of dust obscure the sky. In the midst of this chaotic scene stands a powerful male anime character, his long hair falling to his slender waist, and his eyes a dull silver that pierce through the obscured atmosphere. His facial features are sharp and defined, rugged lines bear the marks of a seasoned warrior. In an atmosphere charged with energy, the landscape surrounding the character reflects the brutality of war. Let's brighten up the atmosphere and add more details to enhance the experience of the anime character. Imagine a scene where the sun breaks through the clouds, casting a warm glow over the battlefield. Our powerful male anime character, with his chiseled features and battle-worn attire, stands amidst the rejuvenating light. The wind, now gentler, carries the scent of fresh grass and blooming flowers. The character's long hair gently sways in the breeze as he surveys the transformed landscape. His eyes, still a piercing silver, reflect determination and strength, but now also a glimmer of hope. The once chaotic battlefield now reveals the resilience of nature, with vibrant greenery pushing through the cracks in the ground. The remnants of conflict are overshadowed by the regenerative power of life. Our character, though still bearing the marks of past battles, now stands as a symbol of not just strength, but also the potential for renewal and growth. This revised prompt aims to create a more luminous and detailed setting, allowing us to explore the character's presence in a transformed and hopeful atmosphere. Hello everyone, in this video I attempted to showcase the newly released text-to-video features of PIKA Art. Every day we witness the emergence of various technologies, yet predicting what each may bring remains a challenge. PIKA Lab genuinely surprised me in a quite impressive way. We will continue to explore its capabilities in upcoming videos. For now, take care of yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time.